These are the dogs.
I think Coco.
Hi, these are all the dogs. It's the fashion modeling show, so just watch closely and we'll tell you who the winner is. You vote now.
Excellent. These are the models.
Coco.
See? Do a little strut for me, babies. Do a little strut.
The orange tank top.
Oh, that's so nice. Is that by DKNY?
The green short. The orange
yes?
short and the pink.
Oh, that is to die for.
This is my shirt, my pajamas.
How about any accessories?
Okay, you vote now. Who will be the America's Next Top Model?
Let's check it out.
You guys are mean.
Let me look at the rear view.
Model is Coco.
There you go. That should be on the.
America's Next Top Model.
That should be on the back of a motorcycle.
America's Next Top Model is Coco. Give a round of applause.
Yay.
You voted for Coco. Let's watch. Bye. Bye. Next time. Yeah. Bye. Let's watch it.